Hello guys, welcome to Forex Financial Fighters. In this video I want to show you how to trade with Agimat 2020 fxpro. Agimat 2020 fxpro is the system which is not repainting once signal confirmed. It might be against the trend or in line with the trend, but keep in mind that it's not repainting. What you have to know is where the trend is going. As you can see, this is a volatility 75 index on a 15 minutes chart. Before you open your platforms, guys, before you open your MT4 or MT5, you must first check a high time frame on a 4-hour chart to see where the trend is going in there, where the signal is. If it's a buy, if you see a buy signal on a 4-hour chart, then you should switch on a 15 minutes chart so that you can trade, you can wait for those pullbacks and trade the continuation of the trend confirmed with Agimat. In this example here, by the way, it was the previous bearish trend, and now this bearish trend is over, is finished. The market must reverse. Okay, since a bearish trend is over, now we are looking for a bullish trend to reverse, so that we can find a confirmation to enter a buy trade here. Here we have a head and shoulder pattern. This is head and shoulder. You may not see it. It's in hindsight. This is a first shoulder and a head and the second shoulder. And then, since the trend changes over, we no longer trade a sell confirmation signal. We only trade the signal confirm the continuation of the bullish trend. Since we know on a 4-hour chart we have a signal of a buy, then on a 15 minutes we should wait for those continuation buy signals. You can see here we have our confirmation, our second confirmation. Our first confirmation was here on this second shoulder, and then it goes all the way up and trace and it gives a signal here which is not valid. This signal is valid. It's not valid because it's against the trend, guys. The valid signal are those. These are valid. You should not trade this because it's against the trend, guys, since the trend is changed here with head and shoulder pattern. We're now looking for a buy opportunity only. You should avoid this because it's against the trend. What I want you to do is to trade the signal that are continuing with the trend. Okay, now since we have a signal confirmed for sell here, we don't trade this. We can let it run like this, and then we will find a confirmation for bullish trend, for the continuation of the trend. We may enter somewhere here, followed with a confirmation here, box. That is the rules to trade with Agimat. Agimat is simple. It's very simple. You just check first where you are on a 4-hour chart or daily chart. But I may recommend you to use 4-hour chart for directional bias, so that when you switch to low time frame, you know which signal you are trading, which signal to avoid. Okay, now let's go to the next chart and see how this trend had played out. Okay, let's go to the next chart. Here we are. You can see for yourself, since we have found a confirmation here, since we have found our head and shoulder pattern right here, and then we have a signal confirmed against our trend, which is not valid to trade. Should avoid this always when you know that the trend is going high. So you must wait for confirmation to confirm so that you can enter the trade. This is valid, and then it goes all the way up to here. These are the signals that I told you should avoid because they are against the trend. Okay, you must have patience to wait, guys. You must be patient to wait for a signal to come for you. You don't have to try to trade your emotions. You must be patient to wait for this to come for you, so that you may enter here on this continuation. And since you may have entered here, it goes all the way up. Don't let this deceive you. Don't panic when you see this, because this is against. It's just for retracement. And then you should trade this continuation. This is good. These are good ones. These are valid ones. Always. This is how profitable you are going to be with this system. The system is so smart. It's not repainting. It's suitable for everyone. For beginners, advanced trader, I don't care who you are. With this system, you can be successful. You can stay away from the crowd that talking many things about the market, and concentrate on Agimat alone. Wait for Agimat to confirm signals so that you can trade the continuation. That is the rules. The rules are simple. Always trade in line with the trend. If it's a bearish trend, you should not buy. You should wait for confirmation of those continuation of the trend. Always do so when you trade with Agimat, so that you can be profitable trader. Can be 90% consistent. Always, guys, when you took this trade here on this, let's say you take this trade here, you should put your stop loss below this green box. If you took it here, somewhere here, if you took it here, you should put your stops below the box, below this box, below this box. Yeah, stop loss must be right here, so that you may be safe. Always, guys, your stop loss must be below or above your entry. Okay, let's go to live chart. I want to show you some trades that I have been opened today. Okay, it doesn't matter with that. Yeah, the rules is simple, guys, to trade with this. The system is always available. You can inbox me to buy the system. It's very affordable, guys, so that anyone can get it with a cheap price, so that you can make money with it. Yeah, that's what I'm recommending you to do, guys. With the system, you can be 90% consistent, and you can trade without fear. How comfortable it is to trade without fear. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe my video. See you on the next video.